Hello everyone, welcome to P5 seminar. I'm Dr. Yashar Bodur. I will be your professor in this class. The purpose of this video is to introduce myself and give you a brief introduction of our class and give you a basic orientation to our class and how the class will be implemented on the folio environment. I'm Yashar Bodur again. I'm an associate professor of elementary education at Georgia Southern University. I teach courses in the ECED Early Childhood Education Program, EDS, in teaching and learning. I supervise doctoral student research, among other things. I teach undergraduate courses sometimes. This is my 8th year at Georgia Southern University. Probably you can tell from the from what's on the wall that I'm a graduate of Florida State. I'm a Florida State Seminole. Anyways, let's talk about our class. This is P5 seminar. This is the capstone, the culminating experience in the ECED Early Childhood Education Program. And this is a very reflective class. The goal behind this class is that you use everything you have learned in the program and you look at your own practice and you kind of analyze critically your practice and kind of make plans for improving your practice and improving your student learning. We are going to use two textbooks, and one of the textbooks is called Best Practice, and then, as the name suggests, this is a book about best practice in different content areas. And then the other one is called Differentiation in Practice. And this one, again, as the name suggests, talks about differentiated instruction and has a number of units in different content areas planned using differentiation in mind. So we are going to use these two textbooks, and then we are going to have some supplemental readings. Now, this is an online class. Because this is an online class, everything related to the course will be conducted in an online learning management system, and our learning management system is called Folio. The way I will conduct the class is that I'm going to set up learning modules, and then we are going to go through these learning modules. You have to see these learning modules as units, like how you plan units in your teaching. We will have 7 units, and each unit is going to last 2 weeks. So we will start with learning module 1. In our second week, it will last for 2 weeks, and then we will move on to learning module 2. Now, the way I will structure these learning modules is that there will be an overview page, and then once you read the overview page, you will have an idea about what this module is about, and then what you have to do in this module to finish it successfully, to complete it successfully. So those instructions will tell you, go and read chapter 5 of the book, and then go and participate in discussion such and such. Go and complete this assignment such and such. So once you follow those steps and once you read the objectives of the module, you will have a very clear understanding of what you're trying to accomplish in that given module and what you have to do. And once you get used to that structure, and my modules are really predictable. Once you have completed one, you will know what the other ones will look like. You will have an easy time on this course. And before we start our normal learning units or modules, there will be a module called Start Here, and once you go through that Start Here module, you will have a good understanding of how everything will be conducted in this class. The Start Here module will give you an idea about what our assignments are. It will give you an idea about how we will communicate with each other. It will give you an idea about how the class is structured. In the Start Here module, you're going to find the course syllabus, the course schedule, everything you need will be there. Now, the assignments in this class are very, very reflective. There will be some module activities, and these module activities are reflective postings. You are going to reflect upon your readings based upon your experiences and based upon your professional needs, and you will see if your readings make sense, if your readings will meet any of your needs, how the readings sound based on your experiences, etc. You're going to have some reflective writings, and you're going to share these writings in discussion boards. In addition to that, you will have a number of other things, such as writing an educational autobiography, in which you're going to talk about people who impacted your life and who impacted your decision to become a teacher. You're going to talk about the people who impacted you after you became a teacher, and you're going to write a paper in which you analyze your current teaching, and then you're going to write another paper in which you're going to kind of plan steps to make yourself a better teacher based upon your current teaching analysis. You are going to create you're going to write an integrated unit. It will be a unit that you had planned in the past, and you're going to modify it to make an integrated unit. And in integrating the unit, you're going to try to integrate all subject areas. By all, I mean reading, language arts, math, social studies, science, and the arts. And towards the end of our class, you're going to write your philosophy of teaching, and in this philosophy statement, you're going to use the course content as much as possible, and you will write this statement as though you're writing it to a potential employer, so as though you're seeking a job. Let's see. On our main page, there will be a discussion forum called Ask the Instructor, and you can ask me any questions. You can post any course-related questions on this Ask the Instructor forum, and I will answer your questions as quickly as I can. If you have a question that concerns you only, not the rest of your classmates, then you might want to email me the question. But if it's a course-related question that might interest everybody else, post it on the Ask the Instruction forum. Let's see, I think that's all I can think of right now. I'm sure we will have a wonderful time in our class, and I know you have taken a good number of online courses, so you're familiar with the online environment. We will have a good experience. Hopefully I will be talking to you again, so enjoy your semester. Bye bye.